there's the U.S. Coast Guard cutter that shows up every once in a while. They come here for a little bit of R&R after they are busy busting all of the boats and all of the drug stuff going on up and down the coast of this area. And here is the pass. We're over by Cayo Nancy, otherwise known as Solarte, and Bastiamentos is over that way. And this is the pass that goes out to the Caribbean Sea. So enjoy. Now we got a little white taxi going by with all the local people going off to work. So I'm gonna zoom in here. Thank you for being with us today. A little bit bouncy. Have a good one from Ultra. Okay, this is what it's like to be in the bow nets of Ultra. We're riding along to this beautiful pass we just showed you over here by Solarte and Bastiamentos here in the beautiful Bocas Del Toro Archipelago. There's Bastiamentos ahead of us. Lots and lots of beautiful coconut palms. Over here we've got the town. And down that way we're off to go down to the Red Frog Beach area. Down Bahia Honda, gonna go to the back cave. So we look forward to sharing all that with you guys. Alright, also gonna be signing out. Okay, here's another boat out here, another cayuga, and they're out here fishing. You can see them paddling across with their traditional Nobi Indian paddles. Pretty cool. I'm going to try to zoom in a little bit more. I might be as tight as I can go with this camera, but pretty cool. Nice of y'all to be out here sailing with us today. Oh, and there's frigates. You've heard of frigate birds? Those giant birds that you see off of the distance here are frigates, and they're diving and diving and diving. Wow, their span is about 4 or 5 feet across, their wingspan. Enjoy! Frigate soaring above our boat.